Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel GoPro Quik subscription. So let's get straight into it. Now if you come to the app and now you will navigate here where you see at the top left corner this icon, and you will click on it just like that, and then under the My Account you will see here some subscription if you have it, and then if you have it here, you can cancel directly right over here. If you don't have it, then you can also go here to the manage subscription, current one, and it will redirect you to your Google Play Store, or if you have Apple, you will go to the Apple Store probably, and then there you can cancel the subscription. And this is simple as that. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the